Yeah, and I got so much other stuff that I got to get done here before summer comes rolling around. So I'll finish the Louisiana guy up, and then I'm done. What's that?
All that yard work to do.
Well, I sell parts radios too. Parts off of radios. I got like 3 or 4 of them taken apart downstairs that I gotta get on the website.
Yeah, you should have no complaints from that guy. Sounds really good. Running good.
Hey, give me a minute here. I'm gonna grab a different speaker.